Welcome back my YouTube channel SuperCars TV 99. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 stands as the ultimate expression of American performance engineering, combining breathtaking design with raw power to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. At the front, the bumper of the ZR1 is an aggressive statement in itself, sculpted with precision to optimize aerodynamics while channeling air to the high-performance cooling systems. Large air intakes and a low splitter give it an unmistakable track-focused appearance, making it clear from the first glance that this machine means business. The LED headlights integrate seamlessly into the body lines, adding a modern touch to its classic Corvette DNA. From the side, the Corvette ZR1 showcases a muscular stance, with sharp contours and wide fenders that house massive performance tires ready to grip the road or track with authority. The lightweight alloy wheels not only enhance the aesthetics but also improve handling by reducing unsprung mass. Carbon fiber side skirts run along the bottom edge, improving stability at high speeds while visually lowering the car for an even more aggressive road presence. The long hood and low roofline flow into a fastback-style rear, a design element that adds both style and aerodynamic efficiency. Inside, the ZR1 blends luxury with race-inspired functionality. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim, creating an environment that feels both upscale and performance-driven. Deeply bolstered sport seats provide excellent support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. The flat-bottom steering wheel, complete with paddle shifters, puts control right at your fingertips, and the advanced digital display provides all vital performance data in real time. Infotainment technology is top tier, with a responsive touch screen, premium audio system, and full smartphone integration, ensuring that every drive is as connected as it is thrilling. At the back, the Corvette ZR1 makes an equally bold statement. The wide, sculpted rear is dominated by a massive adjustable carbon fiber wing, designed to provide serious downforce during high-speed runs. Quad exhaust outlets take center stage, producing an exhaust note that is pure mechanical symphony. The rear diffuser enhances aerodynamics, while the LED taillights retain the signature Corvette style with a modern, aggressive twist. Every element at the rear is functional, contributing to performance and stability. Under the hood, the ZR1 packs a monstrous supercharged V8 engine delivering jaw-dropping horsepower figures, capable of rocketing from a standstill to breathtaking speeds in seconds. This power is paired with a finely tuned suspension and advanced braking systems, allowing it to dominate both road and track with confidence. The price of the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is expected to reflect its status as the flagship of the Corvette lineup, sitting at the top end of the sports car market while still undercutting many European rivals offering similar performance. Launching in the near future, it promises to be one of the most exciting releases for enthusiasts, bringing together iconic design, cutting-edge technology, and relentless power into one incredible package. The ZR1 is not just a car, it's a statement of speed, style, and American pride.